There is a liner on the front of the plate and no liner on the back. We put the back side up first. Start back exposure. Back exposure is to uniformly expose the printing plate from the back. The length of exposure time determines the thickness of the plate base. The back exposure is over, and the back exposure is to control the height of the relief of the printing plate and enhance the adhesion of the polyester sheet layer and the resin layer inside the printing plate. 1. Flick it at the edge of corner a few times until it appears white. 2. Use tool to tap the side a few times until white is uncovered. 3. Knock until it appears white. Apply prickly heat powder on the surface of the plate to prevent air bubbles from entering and make the vacuum effect more perfect. Cover the plate with film. Add a sealing strip around it and then cover it with a vacuum film to start vacuuming. Pay attention to the air during the front exposure, and the masking film should be as close to the layout as possible to prevent air bubbles from entering. The normal light intensity should be 12 to 18 J per square centimeter. After the main exposure, the pattern has been tightly and clearly engraved on the Flexo plate. Fixed Flexo plate and began to wash the plate. Please rotate the disc brush direction at the last minute to eliminate the brush marks. When the dissolved plate material reaches 6 to 7%, please replace the solvent in time. UVC de-stick. Don't overexpose or the plate will crack. And when the folds appear, there should be no white creases. UVA post-exposure. More deeply cross-link all the cross-linked components.